Guys, welcome back to last lesson. Very happy to see you here because congratulations, you did it. Uh, we are on the stage of the last lesson. We're gonna complete and wrap up the course today, right? And very happy to explain the journey in an easy way. And I tried my myself. I tried my best to do so everything to that makes sense for you, right? Okay. Without further ado, we're gonna explore these topics: request memoization, time-based data revalidation, and client-side fetching in Next.js 15. Um, the main topic is the memoization. In React.js itself, memoization is optimization technique that stores the results of expensive function calls. We're gonna, I mean, we're not gonna uh, stop this topic, or n- not finding out about this topic, use memo hook, because you need to know in the Next.js in the React.js course itself, right? Okay, and we're gonna focus on time-based data revalidation. What does it mean? In the server side, we use the caching, right? Caching to store the data by the cache default, and also next revalidate 60 seconds, revalidate every 60 seconds, right? What does it mean right here? Put that here, and you can see, like, if I'm gonna refresh the page, okay, and if I'm gonna go to the page and refresh, let me update the database, right? Let me update, not update, but first cache, not cache. Let me the update, put that here. For example, it's not, it's working by not cache, right? If I'm gonna cache it and update it, the database, let me for example, 42 or 43, doesn't matter, and revalidate not 60 seconds but 30 seconds maybe. If I'm gonna refresh the page, refresh, okay, 43 thousand, right? It's working. It's working. What does it mean? You know, Next.js provides multiple strategies for the revalidating data, like this, revalidate 60 minutes or something like that. I would recommend you go here and uh, revalidate and read through the revalidate documentation. Revalidate pass. No, 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 no. Example revalidate data like this. Oh, for data fetching data, and we need to find server where the revalidation, rendering and caching, optimizing. Okay, revalidate specific paths. No, like this maybe. Yeah, road segment. No, no, no. It's for routing system, not data cache. But it's like, it's similar to each other. I mean, the revalidate value, statically analyzable like this, 60,000, 60, 600, just revalidate after some seconds or some minutes, right? Uh, when it helps, you know, imagine you have some blogs or some posts on your website, and if you put a new post to your website, and you need to control by the time, by the revalidating the time, how it works. You can set the fetching data to a specific time. After the specific time, your posts will be appeared on the screen, right? Yeah, it would be convenient for user experience, right? Yeah, it's very helpful. And this effect, it's a client-side revalidation. It's also it's working the um, revalidate component like this. You can see right here, it's a client-side rendering like this. Revalidate every 60 minutes or something like that. Okay. It's just set the interval like this. But Next.js is do it by itself automatically, right? And highly recommended client-side fetching. Highly recommended using the TanStack Query because it has a lot of features like data fetching, caching, or synchronization, or uh, some some other advantages of the this query, this package, right? You can use it like this. I don't want to display the from the scratch because you need to use it by yourself and just take your examples right here, right? Not taking your time. To make up, to sum up, the memoization helps us optimize expensive computations, right? In time-based validation, it's updated at defined intervals, you know, and TanStack Query is simplified the client-side data fetching and caching in Next.js 15, right? Yeah, if you wanna the use it the use your or fetch your data in the client side, I would recommend use a TanStack Query, right? It's very helpful and beneficial to every developers and in every data fetching as well. npm downloads, you can see right here, it's improving, uh, by efficient and by quick numbers. Wow, it's amazing. It's a big, highly quality open source software, web developers, right? Data visualization, not only the data fetching, but state management, routing, or blah, blah, blah. You can use it to React itself, but next is also support this query. For example, you can see, then take an example. Yeah, uh, Windows data or something like that, fetching data or updating or mutating data or something like that. Okay, sounds great. Yeah, hopefully you also understand these concepts as well. We completed congratulations. I'm really happy to be here and to be with you during the lesson. We have a lot of topics just covered in one card series. Hopefully, just keep learning, keep up, keep updating. Right? Technology is New technology is released every day, every year. Right? Also, I would recommend to adapt to new AI like this. For example, I'm just using the Windsurf or Cursor card editor, not Visual Studio Code, but I highly recommend you from the scratch, from the starting point. I would recommend to start your learning curve in just you know in one place. Just use it yourself. Not dependent on not relying on the AI tools, right? Because AI tools in today's world, uh, not yeah, it really helps out to maximize or you know uh, to improve our efficient, right? But just also makes us lazy, right? Lazy developer. But I would recommend you also solve some problems and improve your problem solving skills. Don't be don't be relying on the AI tools, right? If you wanna be happy to and thanks to AI tools, but you need to learn from the scratch, right? Okay, hopefully that makes sense for you guys. Thank you to Nozomio itself because Nozomio is an international project for global and all students. Doesn't matter what is your level right now, right? Uh, I tried everything and I tried my best to explain the basics of Next.js 15. Next.js also keep updating and keep staying to update. but I would recommend to go to the website and just take and you know just read through the whole documentation until you are comfortable with doing or building a project, simple project itself, right? Don't want to be advanced, but just using simple projects itself, right? That's why you want to be a great developer, and you also be you know updated to new technologies, and also join a new community and ask some questions and improve yourself, right? Thank you, guys. See the next videos. Maybe I want to be an instructor in other technologies itself, maybe. I don't know exactly, but we're gonna plan in that case. And yeah, good luck, guys.